How to buy shares of Owlet Inc., ticker OWLT, listed on NASDAQ. Owlet makes infant monitoring and connected health devices for newborn care. This video is educational only and not investment advice. To trade, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker OWLT to find Owlet Inc. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing and the correct company entry. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to review recent movement. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure this is the correct stock. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, you can place a pending order or schedule a market order for the next session. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade executes, your Owlet position will appear in your portfolio and hold page. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to follow the same example.